Hi, welcome. This is just a very quick grade 12 announcement. 14 June is the day. I'm going to do exam papers. So I think it will be easier if we all have the same paper. So, I'm going to start with paper 2, and then I'm going to do paper 1 of 2019. So that is what I'm going to start off with. So if you want to go through it, please download the 2019, the paper, exam paper, number 1, the memo, and the information sheet. I will put the link in the comments. So in the comments, you will find it, and then you can maybe download it on your computer or on your phone, and then we can work from the same sheet. But I will put all the questions in the videos, but it would be great if you can just see that and just see how I do it as well. So I'll do one question later, and then I will post it before the end of the day. I'll do question 1 of paper 2. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.